Welcome to Axis Industria, where raw torque, steel machines, and brutal terrain collide. From tractors fighting deep mud to massive bulldozers reshaping mountainsides, these are real machines pushed to their limits. That Rockabilly 65 is doing far more than hauling hay. On slick frozen ground, the front end rises as the machine balances on the edge of rollover. No traction control, no electronics, just diesel torque, steel weight, and a driver fighting physics with every movement. "30 men lean into the pull with everything they have, but the tractor answers back with steady mechanical force. Human strength versus engine torque. One side powered by muscle, the other by raw machinery. Vintage engineering meets modern recovery as the K701 drags a John Deere 8410T out of deep mud. Old-school pulling power combined with precise modern control turns a dangerous recovery into a smooth extraction. The T150K and the Kraz collide in a brutal tug-of-war. Engines roar, tires claw at the ground, and traction becomes the deciding factor in a pure steel versus steel showdown. An aging bridge restoration continues under the power of a heavy loader equipped with a 6-cylinder engine pushing nearly 150 horsepower. Its hydraulic system lifts a tractor and a Chevy 4X4 sink deeper into thick mud with every attempt to escape. Eventually, a larger tractor arrives, using superior torque and weight to slowly drag both machines back to solid ground. A crowd gathers behind a heavily loaded vehicle carrying nearly 20 tons uphill. The machine struggles for grip while workers physically prevent it from sliding backward. Human effort and machine power combine to keep disaster away. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. A 150 horsepower tractor pulls a 5-bottom moldboard plow through hardened soil. Steel blades cut deep, turning rough, compact ground into clean, workable furrows ready for planting. Heavy rain transforms timber hauling into a brutal challenge. The Zetor 7045, powered by a 6.5 horsepower engine and 4-wheel drive, drags multi-ton logs through deep mud while water pours non-stop across the forest trail. Built with a long-reach boom, this excavator cuts through thick mud to reopen a blocked canal. With nearly 180 horsepower and a 10-meter working reach, the machine restores water flow through precise digging and controlled movement. The John Deere 6820 unleashes pure pulling power across rough terrain, hauling heavy loads without hesitation while tires hammer through uneven ground. The Ursa C330 proves that simple machines still dominate harsh environments. Mud, snow, and heavy timber mean nothing to this compact workhorse, driven by relentless torque and mechanical reliability. What started as a normal straw baling operation suddenly spirals into chaos. Equipment shifts violently, but fortunately, everyone escapes without injury. At the edge of a riverbank, an expedition truck sinks deep into wet mud. After repeated failed attempts to escape, a Sumitomo excavator slowly recovers the stranded vehicle, though the wheels are left heavily damaged. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. The Caterpillar D8R LGP uses a 305 horsepower engine and a massive blade to carve a path along a steep mountainside. Layer after layer of soil and rock is pushed aside while the operator works inches from a dangerous drop. The Caterpillar D9T weighs over 48 tons, and even transporting it becomes a spectacle. The bulldozer nearly fills an entire highway lane as it heads toward the next massive earth-moving project. The IMT 577DV demonstrates strong pulling power in snow, but traction disappears quickly without chains. Torque alone cannot overcome ice. Setup and control decide everything. In -10-degree conditions, the DT-75 works through the night hauling massive logs across deep snow. Steel tracks spread the weight evenly, while the tractor drags timber for hours in brutal winter conditions. Three tractors attack an icy hill in a wild uphill battle. Tires spin, machines slide backward, and every attempt becomes a fight between horsepower and frozen terrain. An overloaded truck sinks into a muddy field until a tractor arrives with a heavy tow cable. Even then, the recovery pushes both machines to their limits as wheels spin under enormous strain. The Zetor 7,245 powers across rough terrain, hauling gravel with impressive stability. Better weight distribution could improve traction even further, but the machine already proves its durability under pressure. A Komatsu excavator equipped with a 200 horsepower engine tears through layers of earth on a steep hillside. Each bucket carries several tons of material, while the hydraulic system keeps the machine balanced during constant rotation. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. The LKT-81 dominates deep mud with brutal pulling force. Tires claw for grip while the blade cuts through the terrain, proving why forestry machines are built for the harshest off-road environments.
Não, mas eu quero.
A hydraulic winch maintains constant tension across slippery ground, controlling a massive load with calculated precision instead of brute force alone. At first, the John Deere 7820 wastes its power digging into the mud. Then a slight angle adjustment changes everything. Real machine control is not just about horsepower, it is about knowing exactly how to apply it. A white SUV fails completely in deep mud until a heavy red truck takes over. The recovery cable tightens, torque hits hard, and the smaller vehicle is finally dragged free. Raw power quickly turns into chaos as a tractor attacks a steep climb and suddenly flips backward. A harsh reminder that control matters more than aggression. Massive torque pushes a tractor hauling heavy potato bags across brutal mud. Careful balance and steady traction allow the machine to keep moving under extreme load. A Caterpillar excavator spends hours reopening a blocked canal. With precise hydraulic coordination between the boom, arm, and bucket, the machine removes layer after layer of earth while restoring water flow at the same time. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. If heavy machinery, brutal recoveries, and raw industrial power are your kind of content, stay with Axis Industria for more extreme machine action.